I'm Sudhakar and this is my wife Lalita, both from a central government office. My wife had a problem with her eyes for the past few years and we didn't know what exactly to do. We came to Zamindar's a few days back and they suggested a cataract surgery to be done immediately on the left eye. And also they suggested that the right eye also needed a surgery. The minute we walked in, we could feel the peace and the comfort in this particular place. The staff, right from the beginning till the end, they were so cooperative, they were so friendly, and all the procedures went on very smooth. The doctors, in particular, explained very clearly how the procedure is going to be done and recommended the best after going through lots of procedures. And each procedure, when they did, it was so immaculate and the procedure was so smooth and it was all professional. The day of surgery went on very smooth. The pre-operative, the post-operative, and during the operation, things were so professional, and we liked it very well. And now it's been a week since we operated on both the eyes. My wife feels very happy that she came to Zamindars. We would recommend Zamindars to anybody who's got any problem with the eyes, not just cataract, any other problem, cornea or anything else. Thank you.